Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. The National Works Agency, NWA, says it has written to construction company China Harbor Engineering, CHEC, about reports that it's not properly preparing the Hagley Park road surface to be asphalted. NWA's communications manager, Stephen Shaw, says the NWA is investigating those complaints. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with the details.
The Hagley Park Road Improvement Project is ongoing. It's scheduled to be completed by September. But in some sections, from 3 miles to Waltham Park Road and from there to Keeson Avenue, it's smooth sailing. Well, at least on the carriageway heading to Halfway Tree. But reports to our newsroom indicate that the Chinese may have improperly prepared Hagley Park Road to take the asphalt. Before the road is paved, oil is poured to bind the surface. The allegation is that the sand that's put onto the road to help mop up the excess oil is not removed before it's asphalted. We asked the NWA about the allegation, and Stephen Shaw says they too have heard the complaints and have acted on them.
We have dispatched a letter to the operatives at China Harbor Engineering in relation to that particular issue. What I can say too is that we will not accept nothing less than the standard which has been set out in the contract that was signed between China Harbor Engineering Company and the government of Jamaica.
Mr. Shaw says if the loose sand is not removed before paving is done, that can result in a process referred to as pushing.
That is where you'll find sometimes ripples occurring on the surface of the road. Because you have pockets beneath there, resulting in issues. The bonding has not really happened appropriately.
Mr. Shaw says there's a binding clause in the contract that will cause CHEC to fix road defects if any are discovered within a certain period. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.